This is how you get to the red flag on the first level of World 4. Secret. Mamma mia! Taco pizza. Oh man. Okay. Gotta be careful.
So nice.
And then, watch. I already did this before, so there's your other right here. So just doing that level right there. So yeah. Bye.